Hi guys. I'm feeling like playing with neurographic art again. If you're getting tired of it, oh well, too bad, so sad. I'm gonna do it a bit, but I want to do it a little differently because I don't want to be influenced directly by the shapes that I'm making. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take something, maybe my book. I've got this book here. And I'm going to stand this book up like that. So from my perspective, I can't see what's going on here on this paper. Now, yes, if I look up into the viewfinder, I can see, but I don't want to. So I'm going to turn my viewfinder too, so that I'm not looking at anything. Okay, so somewhere I can just feel my page, and I'm going to start making a drawing. Okay, I'm off the page. You know what? I don't want to write all over my all over my background. I'm going to take a piece of scrap paper. I'm going to just stick it in there. Can you guys still see? I don't know because I've turned my viewfinder. Find the edge of my page. And I'm just going to draw lines. Maybe one here. Maybe one here. Maybe one like that. I don't know if that was connected. I don't know if that connected. Maybe one this direction. And maybe one kind of over here. Now I will have to correct some of those things if I have nothing over there. Okay, that's fine. That's what happened. Can you guys see? I wasn't completely off page. That's good. So I did not view that in real time, so I have no idea where those lines went. And I think I'm going to use this big metallic chunky thing that I got and do that. And I really don't want to draw on my blue paper, so I'm going to do like that. And let's do these. I'm just going to copy over them. I can figure out where these lines went. Something like that. That one went like that. This one went something like this. Looks like. Came over here somewhere. I don't know, maybe it was this one. And then this was maybe started here, and maybe it's this line here. That looks about right. I know there was one that I kind of did in a circular fashion, which would be this one. So I'll just do like that, sort of a kidney bean. This one came this way. This one started at this end and went like this, maybe? This one started here and looks like it went maybe like that. I don't know, those kind of connect. And give that just a second to dry. I'm going to erase any of the pencil splotches. I don't want to smear, so I'm just going to do it that way. Is it dry enough? It looks like it's dry enough. I'm actually getting warm with my sweater on, which I didn't expect. It was kind of chilly this morning, but I did take that break. Those of you who watch me regularly will know that I had to stop, do some laundry, take a break, plug in my microphone, because there's something wrong with my microphone. It really, really annoyed me that that my microphone keeps dying. It used to last several hours, and now it only lasts about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. So I have ordered a new microphone. Should be coming next week. Yes, I'm still drinking out of my coldest water bottle that I lovingly changed. Added a little paint to. It's customized. They're no longer sponsoring this video, but I wanted to mention it. I don't know how long my promo code is going to last. So even though I'm no longer being sponsored, I do still get a commission if you use my promo code DAWN10 if you wanted to buy something off of them. It should still be working. If it's not still working, let me know, and I will reach out to the company and see if they can reactivate my promo code if you guys still want something and it's not working. I've never really done this with a big chunky pen before. Well, this is a new experience. You guys know I don't like going out to the edges. That just drives me crazy. So this is also something that is out of my comfort zone when I have to go to the edge like that. I feel like it needs something over there, but that's not what the art, that's not what happened. I need to honor what happened while I was drawing my pencil marks, so it's okay. But I think what I might do with this one, I've done it in my notebook, but I haven't done it here, so maybe that's what I'll do, is I've done a little extra like aura type marks inside my neurographic marks. That's what I'm going to do. So it's neurographic, but just based that way, not super strictly that way. That's basically all it is. It's just rounding. It is the art of rounding. You know, we do that a lot in patterns. We'll just round our shapes. This makes it for a very chunky line that I don't usually do. My lines are usually really super thin and delicate, and this is bold and chunky. Completely different. And then I've got these straight lines digging through it from the background. It's just really interesting. There's a whole different look to it, doesn't it? Round that over. Round that over. That's It's a really small spot, hard to do with this big old fat pen. But we're making it work. No way to round that, we'll just fill it in. And then this one needs to have a little bit of a roundy bit. No spiky bits in neurographic art, unless of course you're doing a spiky one, which most people don't do. I've done spiky ones a few times, and maybe I will experiment with a spiky one in an upcoming. You guys want to see what it looks like to do a spiky one? Maybe I will do that. Because maybe you guys don't vibe with the roundiness. Maybe the roundy isn't your thing. Tell you it's a beautiful day. I've got my windows open. If I could have my door open, I would, but the sun is over there and it would just beat in on me and make me toasty roasty. So I can't do that. I gotta have my curtain up. But it's nice and quiet in the neighborhood. And it's just a glorious day. The kind of day that you want to just be outside, enjoy 100% of the day. Just like that. Okay, so that looks interesting, and it could just stand on its own like that. But I think I want to I'm going to do it. It's what I did the other night, and I was really happy with my results. I just added to that shape. I just kind of lived. Oops, I missed rounding one. I missed that one there. I missed this whole side. Well, we will have to rectify that. There we go. Something like that. Just put a little extra something inside those shapes. Something like that. See? And it just gives it another something that's not just the neurographic lines. I love the neurographic lines, but sometimes I just want it to be more. That kind of looks like an ear. This didn't get rounded. Missed a spot. It helps me to find the missed spots too. Let's see, what else? Over here, oh, missed that spot too. Couple of dots, couple of lines, couple of splotches. And maybe one over here. Like that. See? You can just add to it. Oh, I like that so much. But this, see, the thing is when I go with the artwork all the way to the edges, I really have no good place to sign it. You know, I could hide it in here. Like that. Let's do that. We'll stick it right in the middle. All right, that's it. Super simple, easy, stress-free, having fun. Look at that. Zoom in. Feels like a puddle of water. I love that. I don't know. I will do other patterns and I will do in between, but I'm really drawn to doing stuff like this for right at the moment. And I don't know why, but I just am. So you guys have a great day. I will see you on the next video, whatever that turns out to be. Yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Today is what? Monday. Today's a Monday, and we'll see how the rest of the week goes. I've got enough sunlight to do maybe one more drawing today, maybe. I'll see what happens. You guys be blessed. I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.